So this is my Leetcode solving section. So 118 for distance between bus stop. So somebody give you the bus stop has a number 10 to 1 minus. So you can see there's a list, and we give you starts, and then the distance is distance between the stops I and I plus 1, and the bus goes along both directions. So there are only two directions. One is clockwise, one is counterclockwise. And give you a start and distance, and you need to return the shortest distance. Okay, so so this is the shortest path problem, but it is easy because you only have two paths. Okay, so you can first count the counter. You can first count the clockwise distance and the computer counterclockwise distance. Okay, and you compare which one is minimum, then you just return the minimum. Okay. So there are subtleties that if a destination is less than start, then we just relabel it because we want start to be less than destination. Then you can calculate the first distance. Basically, it's a counterclockwise. It's a clockwise, so distance from start and the destination, and we sum of them. So this is just somebody give you a list. You sum, and you will sum all the elements in the list. Then the second distance is just the total distance minus the clockwise distance. So sum 2, just sum over the total distance minus the first distance. And then you return the minimum. Okay, so that's it. Okay, and I will see you guys in the next videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.